These aren't Pinterest perfect kitchen organization ideas. These are things I do because I genuinely cannot deal with annoying kitchen problems anymore. So today I'm sharing the weirdly effective hacks that I actually use in real life, including an Amazon find I bought that completely fixed the disaster that was our water bottle collection. And honestly, I wish I'd done this sooner. If your container drawer makes you irrationally angry like mine did, I realized the biggest problem wasn't even the containers. It was actually the lids. They're all over the place all the time. So I added 2 little dollar store baskets just for Tupperware lids. And finally, the entire drawer became functional. And honestly, this is something that tiny kitchens taught me. When space is limited, little frustrations become really big frustrations really quickly. So now I'm constantly looking for ways like this to reduce friction in everyday routines. So I finally stopped pretending our family didn't need a junk drawer because every family has one of these. But what was stressing me out was that every single thing in here was just floating around loose. So I ended up grabbing these inexpensive IKEA cutlery trays and created little zones for everything. And what I actually love about this is that it still functions like a real family drawer. It's not Pinterest perfect, but now when I open it, I can instantly find things, and so can the rest of my family. And little moments of visual calm like this make such a big difference in how your kitchen actually feels. Okay, let's talk about water bottles. How do they multiply so fast, especially if you have a big family like we do? I used to stack them upright and they would constantly fall over. It was so hard to find the one that we wanted. So I switched to storing them horizontally in these clever Amazon water bottle organizers. And not only can I fit way more bottles in our cabinet, but the cabinet instantly feels calm. And that's become my whole organization philosophy now. Not perfection, just making spaces so much easier to use. Now, this one is such a tiny thing, but especially in small kitchens, visual clutter matters so much. So I added these little adhesive cord organizers to the backs of our appliances in this tiny cabin. And now everything feels so much cleaner, and our tiny cabin rental kitchen taught me this more than any other space. When you only have a few feet of counter space, every little thing you see affects how the whole kitchen feels. Now, this one isn't about physical organization, it's about mental organization, which is so important. And this trick reduced so much mental clutter in our house. We keep our shared family calendar right here on our Echo Show in the kitchen. So everybody sees appointments, extracurriculars, school stuff, who's driving who where. And this is because the kitchen is the heart of our house and it's the perfect place for this information to live. And I love how it makes the whole house function so much better. These little coffee pod jars are literally from Dollar Tree. I just grabbed some plain jars, sprayed the lids gold, and glued some knobs on top. Decanting my coffee pods into these DIY jars made this little coffee station feel so much more high-end. And one thing I've learned as a home stylist, it's the little details like this that completely change how a space looks and functions. It's gonna feel more welcoming, more put together, and more cozy. These syrup dispensers and these oil and vinegar dispensers are one of those things that seem unnecessary until you actually have them, believe me. Before this, we just had random bottles everywhere with labels that contributed to that visual noise in our kitchen. Now the whole coffee area and our kitchen counters feel so calm and coordinated. And this matters especially in smaller kitchens because your eyes take in everything. I'll make sure to link these and everything that I'm using down in that description box below. This IKEA rail system is genuinely one of my favorite organization products of all time. I use these things everywhere. It freed up cabinet space immediately, but it also made the kitchen feel more styled and lived in. I love displaying coffee mugs on this rail on the side of my fridge, especially my most favorite, most prettiest mugs. I think that's why I love organization now, because it's not just about storing things, but it's also about creating spaces that actually feel good to be in every single day. Okay, I used to think decanting dish soap was honestly a little bit ridiculous. And then I tried it in our kitchen a few years ago because I was getting tired of those bright plastic bottles everywhere. They just added to that visual chaos and looked so chaotic in such a tiny sink area. And now I definitely cannot go back because in smaller spaces, these changes are going to make a huge impact. And because I love the IKEA rail systems so much, I added another HULTARP rail to the side of our island. And this has become one of those little everyday conveniences that just makes life easier. The towels are accessible, all the utensils are accessible, and especially in busy family kitchens like mine, accessibility matters so much. And I tucked this under the countertop on our island, so it's out of the way of our traffic zone, and it works so well. Now, this might honestly be one of the most effective systems we've created in our kitchen. I use clear bins and Cricut labels to create snack bins in our fridge. And now everybody can instantly see what's actually available to snack on. This helps us waste way less food because things aren't getting lost in the back of the fridge anymore. And I definitely find that an organized fridge makes everyday life feel easier in a really underrated way. This little IKEA turntable might be one of the best kitchen organization purchases I've ever made. Because before this, the back of our fridge, that top back shelf, was basically where condiments disappeared forever. I'd buy a new jar of jam and then discover 3 more hidden behind the pickles. So it was a waste of money and a waste of my time. But now with this turntable, I can actually see everything so much easier. There's less food waste, and the rectangular shape of this one is perfect for our fridge. This is such a tiny thing, but it makes opening the fridge actually feel luxurious. And because it stacks neatly in 2 levels, this egg organizer from Amazon actually saves some space too. It stores enough eggs for our whole family, and because it's angled a little bit to the front, the eggs actually roll, and it's so satisfyingly functional. It's so much easier than having a giant carton of eggs to deal with in my fridge. One of the biggest transformations in our kitchen recently was organizing the pantry with these IKEA bins. And I intentionally didn't make this overly complicated. I literally just used a marker for the labels. I've learned that simple systems are the ones that people actually maintain, and I just don't want to make this harder for myself. This simple pantry organization solution works so well for our busy family because when everybody can actually see the categories clearly, putting those groceries away becomes so much more easy. And something I've really learned organizing multiple kitchens is that organized spaces, they're not about perfection. They're about trying to reduce those little moments of stress. This pantry door rack added so much extra storage for all our cans of food. And honestly, small kitchens taught me to look for hidden storage opportunities absolutely everywhere. And the backs of doors are really one of the best things that you can use. They're basically bonus square footage for your storage. And especially in our RV and vacation rental kitchen, vertical storage completely changed how functional these spaces felt. This rack is from Amazon, and it's nice and budget friendly too. This is such a tiny little trick, but it is so helpful. Adding simple command hooks to the pantry door finally gave our aprons an actual home in our kitchen. This simple change makes the whole kitchen feel so much better because when things have a place to go, it makes tidying up my kitchen at night after cooking or baking so much quicker. I absolutely love reusing jars for pantry storage. It's inexpensive, it's sustainable, and it makes the pantry feel so much better when there's not a ton of those bulk bags creating a cluttered looking space. I like to take this simple Bluetooth labeling machine and label each upcycled jar with the name of the product and its best before date to keep everything nice and organized. This IKEA find completely changed cooking in our kitchen. Before this, I could never find any of my spices, but by using these budget-friendly IKEA spice drawer shelves, I now can instantly see every spice I have, and believe me, I love my spices. When kitchens function better, cooking feels less stressful, and that's another reason why organization has become so important to me. It's not about having that perfect house. Again, it's just about making everyday life so much easier. These magnetic spice racks are absolutely amazing in tiny kitchens. I highly recommend them. They use vertical space that would otherwise be wasted, and they're perfect for on the side of a fridge. We love using them for spices, and the hooks below for daily kitchen utensils. Our tiny cabin rental kitchen taught me so much about this. When you have a tiny space, every single inch matters. So now I'm constantly looking for ways to get things off counters, out of drawers, onto walls, and these magnetic spice racks help with exactly that. This one solved one of the weirdest, annoying little problems in our kitchen. There were cup lids everywhere in our cabinets. My kids love glass cups with bamboo lids, so I used one simple Dollar Tree shelf organizer to separate them all. And now the cabinet feels so much better, and I love that this was only $1.75. I tried a more expensive one before this, and this one's actually better. These little office organizers from Dollar Tree work perfectly for tea storage. I actually use them in this drawer, and I love how they look and function. I love using products in unexpected ways like this because it keeps organization nice and affordable. And budget-friendly systems like using things from the Dollar Tree are really sustainable long-term. This little IKEA sink caddy made such a difference around our lake house rental sink. Because before this, everything was just floating around the counter like sponges, brushes, dish soap, and now it looks so much more organized and elevated. Especially in small kitchens, keeping those counters visually clear makes the whole space feel so much better. This little IKEA basket uses space so well. Under sink cabinets can get chaotic really fast, believe me, so I suctioned the basket right onto the back of the door under the sink. And having this vertical hidden storage makes such a difference. Designing small spaces taught me this more than anything. You really need to start seeing every unused inch as a possible storage opportunity. I keep our most used cleaning supplies in this IKEA RISATORP basket. It's nice and inexpensive. I love how these baskets look and function. And now instead of digging through the entire cabinet, everything comes out at once when I'm ready to clean. Little systems like this make cleaning way less overwhelming. I definitely recommend having a cleaning basket just like this. Now, these little baskets in the garden section at Dollar Tree are one of my favorite inexpensive organization tricks. You can use them as is or stain them to make them match your kitchen. I just use wood stain. They're so easy to hang on hooks you can buy for the IKEA HULTARP rail system. And by doing this, you can create storage out of completely unused space like on the side of your cabinet. One thing I love about smaller kitchens is that they force you to become creative like this. These spinning hooks are so useful. They come in a 2-pack from Amazon, and you don't need any tools to install them because they're peel and stick. I use one for my utensils under my kitchen cabinet, and I even have one in my entry under a shelf for keys. They make awkward little spaces actually functional. And again, they keep things up and off your countertop, out of drawers, and they use that vertical space. This one is such a good hack. I used a simple IKEA plate holder to organize my cutting boards on my countertop, dishes in my small cabinet, and even some books on a shelf. And again, vertical storage like this keeps things easy to access, and I love that these plate organizers are only a few dollars from IKEA. Budget-friendly organization is my absolute favorite. This might honestly be one of the smartest cheap hacks in this whole video. I used a Dollar Tree towel bar and gently twisted and pried it apart into 2 pieces. Now I can slip a roll of paper towel on it, close it up again, and store the bar on either the front or the back of my under sink cabinet. You could also use this for rolls of tin foil or plastic wrap. This works so well, and I love organization ideas like this that are simple and budget friendly. This Amazon over-the-sink rolling dish rack is amazing in small kitchens like this one in our camper. It creates extra workspace without permanently taking up space. I have it here in our camper, and honestly, RV kitchens really teach you to value flexibility. Everything absolutely has to function well and be easy to store like this rolling dish rack. This sounds random, but getting those bananas off the counter freed up way more visual space than I expected in my kitchen. This little hook from Amazon is another wonderful peel and stick find. I love the brushed gold finish, and I like the fact that you can fold it up when it's not in use. Now, one of the biggest things organizing all these different kitchens has taught me is that cozy has absolutely nothing to do with the square footage of your home. It's about creating spaces that feel calm, functional, welcoming, and easy to live in. And all of these things matter so much more than owning a giant house. Let me know in those comments which of these organization ideas you are trying first. And if you like this video, I think you'll love the video I've linked on the left-hand side because they use a lot of these same ideas throughout the rest of the house. I'll see you in that one.